video, I want to find out which tie dressing looks the best. Stick until the end, I will give you my recommendation. Do you prefer a wet look or the satin look? Alright, today we've got Carpro Pearl 1-to-1. Matt Mormon made this one super popular. Next we've got Tire Express from Gyeon, also water-based. Supposed to apply on a wet tire according to Gyeon, but I don't do that. And then Carpro Dark Side, the newcomer from SEMA 2022. We're gonna use 3 different applicators for this, and guys, please always clean your tire. I use an APC Koch Chemie Green Star 10-to-1. If you have really trash tire, use a dedicated tire cleaner and you'll be ready to go. With a clean tire, you'll get a good bond, no sling, and no patchy look. dark side. Very, very hard to beat right now. I mean, in my book, it's my favorite. After this deep dive, I can see why everybody is raving about this. So the application again is probably the easiest of the bunch because it's solvent based. It kind of fills in the tire. The tire just absorbs it very well. Works on any tire. For me, it's the best looking. So through all these years, it's the #1 in my book. The smell, it's amazing.